Now that we have introduced displaying data, we can now discuss how to describe your data. To review, we do statistics to learn about populations from data from samples. Some common descriptions of data are central tendency, spread, and association. We can look at histograms to discern central tendency. If you look at this graph, you can see that sepal length of iris setosa centers around 5, around 6 for iris versicolor, and around 6.5 for iris virginica. You might already be familiar with measures of central tendency. These are mean, median, and mode. Mean is the sum of values divided by the sample size. We can also call it the weight of the data. Median is the middle measurement. If we take an individual at random, this is the value we expect them to be the closest to. The mode is the most common value for an individual. A quick review: when doing statistics, we deal with population parameters and sample estimates. The population mean is the Greek letter mu. This is a parameter we do not typically know. Instead, we need to estimate it from a sample mean, which is represented by y bar. To calculate the sample mean, you take the sum, sigma, of all of the observed values for each individual I in the sample and divide it by the number of samples, n. For example, if we take tail length of 6 squirrels and find that they are 21 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 25 centimeters, 22 centimeters, 28 centimeters, and 23 centimeters, the mean would be 21 plus 20 plus 25 plus 22 plus 20 plus 23 divided by 6, which equals 21.8 centimeters. We can also calculate the median of the sample to find the middle measurement. To get the median, you take the value halfway through an ordered list of the observations. Note, the list must be ordered either lowest to highest or highest to lowest. For our squirrel example, the ordered list would be 20 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 21 centimeters, 22 centimeters, 23 centimeters, and 25 centimeters. The halfway point is between 21 and 22 centimeters, so the median would be the average of those two numbers, which is 21.5. In general, the mean is more convenient to use mathematically. However, the mean is related to the sum of all observations and the sample size. The median, on the other hand, describes the average individual. It is the middle measurement. The median is less impacted by extreme values. The choice of using median or mean is most important when the data is really skewed. Take a look at these 3 plots. If the mean is on the right of the median, the data are right skewed. If the mean is on the left of the median, the data are left skewed. If the data are symmetrical, then mean and median are equal. The mode is the most common observation. In our squirrel tail data, the mode is 20 centimeters. The mode is also the highest point on a histogram.